and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Just doing a very short quick video on something I've just found a bit strange, and I only really noticed this when I put Firmware 4 on the X-T3. Now you've got the focus limiter, and I was showing how you set up the A and B points, and you may have noticed in that video that I said it seemed to change with zooming, so I thought I'd check something. Now I've checked this on the X-T3 and I've checked it on the X-T30, so I don't think it's a firmware problem. But if you'd like to check yourselves, if you've got an X-T3 with a previous 3.3 firmware or earlier, just to see. But let me just show you what I found. So I've got here the X-T3, I've got the 18-55 lens on it. Then over here, I'll swing the camera around, I've got a monopod, and that monopod is positioned 5 feet away from the sensor plane of air. So the lens should focus 5 feet away. I've got the AF distance scale on the monitor. So if we focused on there, and it says 5 feet. 5 feet, as near as. But let's zoom to 18. So I'm aiming at the same spot. Now it's near enough 4 feet. So I thought, perhaps it's noticing something behind it. So let's make the focus point even smaller. It's moved again. So now it's saying just below 4 feet. We go back to the normal one. It's between 3 and 5 feet. Small, just under 5 feet. Standard, between 3 and 5 feet. Didn't try bigger. So how big can I can go? I can go there. Again, between 3 and 5 feet, so that's 4. So if I go to zone, a bit closer to 5 feet. Let's go to wide, just under 5 feet. If we zoom in though, 5 feet, or as close as, slightly over it now. And each time you press, it seems to change. Now whether the pixels within the focusing area are changing the distances, I don't know. But what I thought I'd try, let's try a couple of lenses. So I've got the 18-135, so let's try that one. Right, now I've got the 18-135 on, same distance to it. I'm at 18mm, standard size focusing spot, we'll take it. Oh, nearly 7 feet now. Let's zoom in to 135, moved a little bit. Let's get it dead centre. Just under 5 feet. So let's go 70. Just under 5 feet. 55. Just under 5 feet. 35. Just under 5 feet. 23. Between 5 and 7. 18. Nearly 7. Let's make the dot, let's make it smaller. Let's go down to 1 pixel size again. So we're dead on it. 7 feet. Standard size, between 5 and 7 feet. So we're getting that change again. And this is what I was saying when we were trying to set the A and B points in the focus limiter. It's going to change with your zoom. So if you zoom in, set your A and B and zoom out, those A and Bs might be totally different. We'll try one more lens. I've got the 50-230. So we'll give that one a go and see what happens there. Right, so we've got the 50-130 on here. I'm at 50mm, same 5 foot away, same standard size dot, 5 foot. Let's go to 230. box is already on there. 5 foot. Ah. 5 foot at 135, 5 foot at 100, 5 foot at 70, 5 foot at 50. So on the 50 to 230, it's accurate. It's staying at that. It's just on the 18 to 55 and the 18 to 135 that we're getting these discrepancies. Now, is that due to these older lenses? Are they not communicating the distance correctly? I can't answer that. So if you've got an X-T3 with the previous firmware, please give it a go. If you've got an 1855, we know it happens on the 18 to 55. Go and you got the 18 to 135, you can try that. Try any other lenses that you've got. I've tried it on a prime and it stays the same. It's just that zooming that alters the reading. So whether that's a bug in the firmware, I don't think it is, because it's doing the same on the X-T30. So it's just something with these XF lenses. It's not happening with these XC lens. So if you've got an XF Zoom, just give it a go and just see. Measure your distance from your sensor plane, which is on the line, 5 foot, whatever feet you want, and just try that. If it is altering with these, then obviously when you're setting your A and B points, you'll have to take that into consideration. So that's a quick look at a little bug perhaps that I found with the XF lenses or Zoom lenses. I'll have to see what if there's any firmware to address it, or it's something we've got to put up with. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that notification bell. Till next time, see you later.